Hello everybody, my name is Anton, I'm a marketer. In this video I want to share with you Google AI Studio. This is a great place to making prompt, to working with artificial intelligence, and I hope this video is interesting for you. You can use this information in your project, and let's jump to the Google AI Studio. Friends, we are in the Google AI Studio interface. Let me walk through it. On the left side, we have controls including our library and the options to start new prompts. In the middle, we manage our chatbots and communication with the AI. On the right side, we have settings for specific tasks. You can use Google AI Studio for free with a limit of 50 requests per day for version G1.5 Pro. If you use a simple version, you get 1,500 requests per day. I recommend using version 1.5 Pro because it gives better results. For advanced use, there are paid options. You pay for training the AI and for the results. I recommend using Google AI Studio with tools like make.com. To integrate external tools, you can easily create a Google API key and use it with Make. Let's go through the settings and how to work with this tool. The settings are simple. First, name your prompt and describe how you use it, like I work with an SEO specialist. Then choose the model to use. I recommend version Gemini.1.5 Pro for the best results. Similar the ChatGPT sandbox, you can see the numbers of tokens, use it and adjust settings like temperature for more or less variations in response. You can also set safety settings to standard if using it for business purposes. You can save your work at Google Drive and share it like Google Docs. The controls are simple. You write your requests, and unlike ChatGPT, you send multiple pieces of information and then run them all together. You can edit your purposes in a rerun then if need. The most interesting part in the structured prompts. You give an input like an image and get an output like descriptions of the image. I use this for SEO tasks, generating scripts and more. After setting up examples, you can test and see the results. I use it for the SEO, uploading a table with descriptions and SEO data. After testing, you can train the model with the more 20 examples. This allows to use the trained model with tools like make.com. Here is positive example. I uploaded new input, generated responses, and improved the model by adding new data. The results are impressive with great titles, descriptions, and call to action phrases. The AI trained itself and improved significantly. You can now use the trained model with the external tools and in your works. This is a powerful feature that can help automate and improve your business using AI and modern technology. I hope this video was helpful for starting to improve and automate your business with AI. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Hey guys, what do you think about this video? Please write in the comments and thumb ups. I hope this video is give you more information about AI and Google AI Studio and about the Gemini. And see you in the next video, and bye bye.